Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Eyes. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing another product from the Mom's Co. This time it is related to my hair care. So I was basically trying out their keratin shampoo as well as conditioners. So let's talk about these. Now they say that the keratin hair system natural damage repair shampoo as well as conditioners are natural and they are toxic free natural damage repair hair kit which is enriched with keratin as well as Moroccan argan oil, and they work on repairing your hair structure, the shine and the manageability. Now the shampoo, they say that it gently cleans and strengthens while the conditioner deeply moisturizes and repairs your hair. And now my hair is very thin, it is dry and they are chemically treated. Like I have colored my hair for almost 8 times now, so they are chemically treated hair and that is the reason why they are damaged. So yes, chemical treatments come hand in hand with damaged hair. So my hair is damaged and so the hair fall issue is immense. Also I have PCOD, which is Sone Pe Suhaga, so I have even more hair fall because of that. Now the best part about the Mom's Co is that they put nature in and all the toxins out. So they have natural products in here like Moroccan argan oil, they have natural keratin, provitamin B5 and moringa oil into it, while they have kept all the toxins out such as mineral oils, SLS, SLES, parabens, sulfates. Like oh my god, these chemicals do so much damage to your hair and they have literally kept all of these toxins out of their range. So that is the reason why I was really intrigued to try them out. Now they say that it is a natural damage repair system and that is what I actually need for my hair. So I first tried out the shampoo itself without using the conditioner because I wanted to see how the shampoo on itself works on me. So I will add all the clips and photographs that I was taking while I was testing these products out. Now the damage repair shampoo does contain 200 ml of product and retails for MRP 492. Obviously you can get these on discount, and it does contain essential oils, natural ingredients, and it is not tested on animals. That is the best part about it. So you need to just take out 2 to 3 pumps of this shampoo on your palm and then add in your damp hair. Now this shampoo has a really thin consistency, it is watery and it is not that thick, and it does have a really mild fragrance which is good. The thing that I noticed with this shampoo is that it has low lather, it does not lather too much. The reason behind being that it does not contain any mineral oil or parabens or sulfates in it. So and what I felt was that after washing my hair with the shampoo, my hair felt so smooth, it felt so smooth and they were shiny, and that is what I exactly want. Without using any serum on my hair, they felt naturally shiny and I liked it. So this was the shampoo and it does contain natural keratin. 90% of our hair is made up of keratin, which is responsible for external as well as internal structure of our hair, and added keratin improves the hair strength, reduces breakage and repairs the damage made due to heat and chemicals, and that is exactly what I wanted. So it also has Moroccan argan oil, the natural one, which nourishes dry hair and restores the softness and shine and adds silkiness to your hair. Now it does have coconut based cleansers which are extremely natural and they gently clean your hair with low lather, and they protect your hair from the harmful effects of sulfates and chemical based shampoos. It also has moringa oil which nourishes and improves hair strength and prevents split ends. Aloe vera, which all of you know promotes hair growth, softens your hair and nourishes them and also reduces dandruff and itchiness. Shea butter is also there, which helps to moisturize your dry scalp and repairs breakage and mends the split ends. It also has murumuru seed butter, which helps to retain moisture, softens and nourishes your hair. Provitamin B5 deeply nourishes the cortex of your hair, and it does have wheat protein which strengthens hair and adds volume. So both of these products, the shampoo as well as the conditioner, has so many good ingredients into it and no chemicals, and that is the best part of this. Now the shampoo is good, as I said. The conditioner is extremely thick, you guys. It is not that thin consistency wala conditioner. it is extremely thick and it does smell good as well. And you need to just apply it all over your length. Never apply conditioner to your scalp, and leave it in for 4 to 5 minutes and then just rinse it off. Never apply conditioners to your scalp because it is not meant to be applied on your scalp. And this conditioner, guys, after using it, my hair feels so soft and shiny. And I've used conditioners, and after using and washing them out, I feel like my hair has just clumped into one soft bunch. But with this conditioner, it didn't feel like that. It felt as if still I had volume and strength to my hair, that I could feel each strand separate and they did not clump. So that is the thing I really like. So I think it's the natural ingredients in it because of which I am noticing the difference as compared to other shampoo and conditioners which are not chemical free. So basically I liked this range from them. I am noticing less breakage as compared to my regular hair fall, because I have immense amount of hair fall. And what I think is that hair fall is not just due to the conditioners or due to the type of water you're using, or due to hair tools or treatments that you do, but it also has a direct relation with what is going inside your body. So your diet, water, the way you eat, your lifestyle, environmental factors like pollution and other stuff also have a great contribution to hair fall. So just one product cannot change the entire thing in just 5 seconds like that. So you need to understand this first and then start by doing any kind of hair care or skincare, and then you would actually see the difference. This is what I feel. So I basically like this shampoo as well as conditioners, and to be true, I like the shampoo more because I am the type of person which does not like to use conditioners all the time. I like to use conditioners only during special occasions, but regularly when I wash my hair twice a week, I just use shampoos, and this shampoo works superb on its own itself, and with the conditioner it is like cherry on the cake. So yes, this was my review about the Mom's Co shampoo as well as conditioner from the natural damage repair range. I hope you guys found this review helpful. I would leave all the details of these products in the description box. You can check them out. I will meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.